Okay, so today's video is going to be the install for the rear bumper on the 9704 Dodge Dakota and the 98-03 Dodge Durango. So to start, what you're going to do is remove your existing bumper. Now what you're going to do that, there's these 3 bolts right here, 1, 2, 3, and those are 18 millimeters that you're going to need to take out, and this will pop right off. Once you get this off, you reveal this torsion bar, which is located right here in the middle, and that's just 2 15 millimeter nuts that'll come off, and this will also be where the new bumper is going to bolt onto. Okay, so once you unbolt your stock rear and you get that torsion bar out of the way, you're going to come to your bumper. Now this is what, once you unbox it, this is what it's going to look like. It's just going to be this bumper. It's going to come with the bolt kit, and you're going to have 2 of these tie-in brackets. Now the way these brackets go on is right here. There's 3 bolts that bolt to the bumper itself, and the tie-in brackets are going to go inside the frame with the gusset on the bottom side. Now when you're putting this on, I would recommend to bolt both of your tie-in brackets to the frame first. Get those started, get them not tight, but so you can move them around. So once you have these bolted onto the frame, what you're going to do next is, once you get these 3 bolts started in the bumper, you get your bumper on, get everything started, tighten these 2 bolts down on both sides, the ones that go right to the frame. Tighten them down, and then you're going to need to get somebody to help you hold it up, line it up, get everything where you want it, where it's looking good, and then you go back through and tighten the actual bolts on the bumper itself. And remember to always test fit your bumpers before you get them painted. That way, if there's any problems with fitment or anything like that, there's no issue getting it sent back, and we can take care of it. This is what it's going to look like once everything's done. This bumper itself is a prototype. We went through and made fine adjustments and made everything fit the way it should. It's a little tight up here, but that's not correct either. Should look good on your Dakota or Durango. Thanks for watching.